Hey gang, it's me, Sophie from Sophie's World with another drawing session. I love drawing with Sophie. This is like one of my favorite things to do. So this is a class where we're going to take basic shapes like circles and squares and turn them into fabulous creatures. Now remember, as with all of my classes, you can stop whenever you need more time and start again as soon as you're ready to keep on going. So let's get started. For this project, you will need white paper, a pencil, and magic markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the first shape you're going to want to draw is an oval. And this is kind of like a skinny oval, sort of like, here we go, up and over a skinny oval, kind of like, almost like a carrot. Looks a little bit like a carrot. So go ahead and draw that. You can pause if you need more time. Then next, you're going to draw up at the top one line and then another line. This is about 1.5 inches, 2 inches down from the top. Underneath that, draw a circle. And remember, pause if you need to pause while you're doing your circles. And inside that circle, draw another circle. This is going to make the window. Directly underneath, starting about 1.5 inches up, draw a very skinny rectangle. Very skinny one. And then on the sides, you're going to draw 2 triangles. So start on the left side and draw a straight line down and then come across to make a triangle. So there's your triangle. Now you don't have to connect it right now if you don't want to, because you've already got this side of your rocket ship. And then do the same thing on the other side. Come out and make your triangle. There's your rocket ship. Now, come back with your magic markers or your pencils or your crayons and decorate. Okay, and there you see I've got my rocket ship all colored in. And if I wanted to here, I'm going to show you how to add some flames to the bottom so that it looks like it's rocketing out. So I'm just going to take my pink pen here and I'm going to draw a line straight down from the bottom, and then I'm going to make a curly Q. And then I'm going to make another straight line. Like just go straight, and then the other side, I'm going to draw another straight line that has a curly Q. There we go. And now it looks like it's taken off. I hope you like these drawing classes as much as I do. I really, really love them. And I will keep bringing them to you, I promise. For more fun stuff, make sure to check out sophie-world.com. And in the meantime, stay creative and curious.